welcome back to Sunday Live Trend. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Well guys, I'm back again with the Mzansi Soapie Stories, and I'm here guys sikhuluma ke ngozalo, sikhuluma ngecharacter ke kaNkazimulo. Ngiyabona abantu ukuthi ke they are celebrating ukuthi ke uNkazimulo uyagowa akagowi ufamba moyeni. Guys, inkinga zakhe ziyakhophuka kunokuthi ke zehle. Simbonile ke xa kwamaphupho ephuphe ngathi uthela ngopetrol, unkunzi ngathi uyamjaha ini mangabe ke ufunda ukuthi kuzokwenza namhlanje. Bathi ke uNkazimulo think he survived the danger until a gunshot proves he was wrong. Bathi ke Nkazimulo's greatest fear becomes a reality. On the 27th, bathi Nkazimulo's paranoia seems to have subsided until Geja walks into his bedroom without knocking. Nkazimulo's paranoia deepens as he takes matters into his own hands. So guys, lenyanga nje uzobe egowa uNkazimulo asazi ukuthi uzokwenzani, but ke lokho azokwenza kungase kumthathe kumuse ke ejele noma ke kugcine ke kumusa ke kaGuqanyawo. So yeah guys, unkunzi ke angimazi ngaphela usejele uthi ingane le uyithakatha ke kanjani njengoba nje isihlezi ithukile isaba kangaka. So yeah guys, that's what you can expect on Uzalo. That brings us to the end of this video. Leave your comment below and share your opinion. Bye.